My dear students, how are you? Welcome back. We have vocabulary and there are a lot of important vocabularies and sentences. So please listen very well and repeat after me. Let's get started. بعد سببكين. Join پەیوەندی کردن یان چوونە ڕیزەکان. Join ڕابردووەکەی بێ بە joined. 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 Okay. Number one. Join us. وەکو ئەمر وایە. Join us. پەیوەندیمان پێوە بکە. یانیش وەرە ڕیزەکانمانەوە. یانیش وەرە ناومانەوە. Join us. Join us now. ئێستا. Join us. Join us. Number two. I will join you. من پەیوەندیتان پێوە دەکەم یان پەیوەندی بە تۆوە دەکەم یان دێمە ڕیزەکانتانەوە. I will join you. یان بەشداریتان لەگەڵ دەکەم. I will join you. I will join you tomorrow. سبەینێ پەیوەندیتان پێوە دەکەم دێمە ڕیزەکانتانەوە یان بەشداری دەکەم لەگەڵتان. I will join you. I'll join you. I'll join you. She'll join us. Number three. Tom joined us yesterday. Tom هاتە ڕیزەکانمانەوە دوێنێ یان پەیوەندی پێوە کردین. Tom joined us. بەشداری لەگەڵا کردین. Tom joined us. Tom joined us. Very good. Number four. I joined the Navy. I joined the Navy. من چوومە ڕیزەکانی سوپای دەریاییەوە. Navy. I joined the Navy. Navy. I joined the Navy 2 years ago. Number five. Peter joined the army. Peter پەیوەندی کرد بە سوپاوە یان چووە سوپاوە. Peter joined the army. Peter joined the army. Okay, great. Let's go to another vocabulary. We have teach taught. Teach taught. يعني فێر کردن فێری کرد لە ڕابردوودا. Teach taught. Teach taught. Number one. What do you teach? تۆ چوانەیەک دەڵێیتەوە. I teach mathematics. I teach English. She teaches Arabic. They teach Kurdish. What do you teach? What do you teach? Number two. He teaches English every day. He teaches English every day. He teaches English every day. Number three. I can teach you how to fight. ئەتوانم فێرت کەم کە چۆن شەڕ بکەی. Fight. I can teach you how to fight. I can teach you how to fight. I can teach you how to fight. Number four. Who taught you how to dance? کێ فێری کردی کە ئاوا دانس بکەی کە چۆن دانس بکەی. Who taught you how to dance? Who taught you how to dance? Taught. Who taught you how to write? Who taught you how to swim? Who taught you how to read English? Number five. Asmer taught Lana how to cook. Asmer taught Lana how to cook. Asmer لانەی فێری شێوازی خواردن دروستکردن کرد. فێریەوەیەکی کە چۆن خواردن ئامادە بکە. Cook. Asmer taught Lana how to cook. Asmer taught Lana how to cook. Very good. Okay, we have quite. يعني بطواوتي. Quite. 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 Number one. I quite agree. بطواوتي رازيم. قناعتم بشتكاتو. I quite agree. رازيم. I quite agree. I quite agree with you. I quite agree. I quite agree. Number two. I am quite busy. من بطواوتي سرقالم. I am quite busy. I am sorry. I am quite busy. I am quite busy. It's quite urgent. ئەوە بەتەواوەتی بەپەلەیە. دیارە کارێکی زۆر بەپەلەیە. It's quite urgent. It's quite urgent. هم urgent هم urgent. هەردووکی ئەبێ. It's quite urgent. It's quite urgent. Number four. That's quite true. ئەوە بەتەواوەتی ڕاستە. That's quite true. That's quite true. Quite. I quite agree. I am quite busy. It's quite urgent. That's quite true. Okay, we have shooting. Shoot, shot. Taqakirdin. Taqakirdin. Taqaykird. Stop shooting. بوصلة لتقاكردن. Stop shooting now. Stop shooting. Stop shooting. Number 2. Don't shoot. تقمك. Please don't shoot here. ليرة تقمك تكاية. Don't shoot. Don't shoot. Number 3. I will shoot you. تقد لدكم. لدهاتو I will shoot you. I'll shoot you. Number 4. I shot him. من تقم ليكرد لكركا. I shot him. I shot him. I shot him. Very good. Stop shooting. Don't shoot. I will shoot you. I shot him. Very good. We have target. آمانج. هدف. Target. شويني بيكان. She focused on the target. أو كچكا تركيز سرنجي خست سر تارجتكا سر آمانجكا. Okay. She focused on the target. 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 Number 2. He had shot at the target 9 times. أو تقي كردبو لآمانجكا لهدفكا نوجار. He had shot at the target 9 times. He had shot at the target 9 times. Number 3. Tom hit the target. Tom کێشای بە ئامانجەکەیە واتە لە هەدەفیدا پیایە کێشا. Tom hit the target. Tom hit the target. Tom hit the target. I hit the target. She hits the target. He hits the target. Number 4. You missed the target. تو هدفكت لدزدا يعني نت بيكا. You missed the target. You missed the target. She missed the target. He missed the target. I read it one more time. Target. She focused on the target. He had shot at the target 9 times. Tom hit the target. You missed the target. Okay, everyone, please try to listen again and again and repeat after me. Thank you very much. See you.